Most people explain things wrong. They talk, people get lost, but the best teachers in the world, they do something different. They turn ideas into diagrams. I'm going to show you exactly how AI can do this literally in seconds. Because it's going to help you with your coaching programs. It's going to help you with your digital products. It'll help you sell better on social media. The cool thing is it only takes a few minutes. So let's jump into the exact process. And we're just going to be using ChatGPT and Freepik. So in step 1, you just use ChatGPT to outline what it is that you're going to talk about. So step 2, what you do is you tell it to turn it into a text-to-image prompt. Step 3, you just take it over to Freepik, you click on image, you go to the image generator, and you take this prompt and you stick it in there and you let it generate it. The main thing you're thinking about is, how do I take something that I want somebody to learn, make it more fun, and turn it into some visual learning asset instead of just some text or some steps or whatever? Because if you can help them see the steps, if you can help them understand visually what's going on, and you can make that picture appear in front of them, they will do so much more, they will get so much better results, and they'll come back to you because you simplified it for them. So I want to give you this prompt right here. It's just a basic example prompt. Create a clean educational infographic that teaches beginners how AI works. Use a simple step-by-step visual layout, include icons, arrows, and minimal text. Design it as a one-page teaching diagram. The style, modern, simple, easy to understand. I just want you to think to yourself, would this be better if I could explain it visually, if I could actually show them something good? And if you can, do that. Use this to create that sort of thing. Because if you can teach faster and you can teach better, you can build courses faster, you can start earning revenue faster with a school community, you can really get people to follow you because your information is actually valuable and it's not just a bunch of talking and them trying to have to put everything together in their head. Just anything you create going forward, just think, wait a minute, I'm about to teach this, I'm about to use some slides. Could I just create a one-page, awesome, hyper-detailed infographic that I can continue to teach from? Whatever the case is, just don't forget that and make sure that you keep that fresh in your mind, because these tools make it so simple and so easy, and you'll probably find yourself being able to coach way better, teach way better. If you want to learn more about AI stuff and you want to keep figuring out how to use these tools to help you grow your brand, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.